Dear student, welcome in Walchand College of Engineering Laboratory, Electronics Laboratory. I am Sachin Chavan, working as a lecturer in Electronics Department, and again I am teaching you the LIC course, right? Linear Integrated course. In this particular video, I will demonstrate you the practical number 13, which is the use of relevant instrument to measure the frequency of oscillation of given RC phase shift oscillator using IC 741. Obviously, we did the exercise on the feedback mechanism. We have studied the positive feedback as well as negative feedback. So for amplifier purpose, we have used the negative feedback. We always use the negative feedback for controlling the gain and all the other parameters. And for some other application like oscillator, we use the positive feedback as well. So in the theory class, again I will teach you this RC phase shift oscillator and the positive feedback concept. So this is the RC phase shift oscillator. Okay, so it consists of this operational amplifier and the IC. In the IC form we have the 741 for the practical session, and this is this feedback network or feedback mechanism. So this feedback network consists of this combination of three networks, RC, RC and RC, and we know that this feedback, the feedback produced by this particular network is 180 degree, and the feedback and the phase shift provided by the amplifier is 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So we have satisfied the Barkhausen criteria and we can get the oscillation at the output. But one thing is very important to remember in the oscillator concept is there is no input signal provided. You just remember there is no input signal provided in either way, right? So in oscillator without any input we can get the sinusoidal waveform. So this is what the beauty of this oscillator or the active oscillator using operational amplifier. So this, by using this particular oscillator concept and satisfying the Barkhausen criteria, we can get this sinusoidal waveform. So I will show you the sinusoidal waveform on the oscilloscope. Again, so we will observe the particular frequency which is generated by this oscillator, RC phase shift oscillator. So there are various type of oscillator circuit. One of the type is RC. So to calculate the frequency, and we will observe that particular frequency. So first of all we will calculate the theoretical frequency. So there is a simple formula given for this theoretical frequency is F is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root 6 RC, right? This formula. So by putting the value of R and C, so it was it is around the 200 Hertz or 196 Hertz, right? So depending on the value of R and C, the frequency, the cutoff frequency or output frequency will be different, right? So depending on these two components, right? So here I think this particular student has selected this R value is 3.3 kilohertz and the capacitance value is 0.1 microfarad. Okay, but in our case, in our circuitry, these values may be different, right? So depending on these particular values or component, this frequency will be different. So right now it is 196 Hertz. So this is a theoretical calculation. Very simple formula is given for this, for the calculation of the output frequency, theoretical, right? And then we will see whether the output or whether my oscillator is producing this kind of frequency practically, right? So we will see practical frequency. So for this case, suppose my value of R is 1 megahertz and C is 0.1 microfarad. So it is around 250 Hertz in my case, in my circuitry, but you can consider this case also, right? So this is theoretical calculation and we will observe whether my output circuit or my oscillator is producing this type of frequency. So this is actually the RC phase shift oscillator circuitry by using 741. So this is a feedback network and this is amplifier network. Again you can observe the carefully, I have not connected any input to this particular kit. See this. So this is off now and the oscillator doesn't require anything, right? Without any input it will produce the output. right? So without any input, oscillator produces output. So here you can see that output input is not connected, and there is no input to this particular kit. Only I have connected this output to this output circuitry and only power supply, so nothing else, right? So this is only output connected and power supply is given, right? So it disturbs it. So here